Magandang hapon!
Welcome to Edisphere College, Singapore.
Good afternoon po. Ako po si Des from Edisphere College of Management and Technology. Kasama ko po si Ms. Aiza from ano po ba ang Edisphere College po? Ang Edisphere College po ay kapartner po ng Fiesta at ng OWA. So ginagawa po namin ay nagpo-provide po kami ng learning. Diploma courses po to. So these are internationally recognized po. We have just been awarded again our 6-year accreditation of the Private Educational Institute of Singapore. So we're very proud of it po. So we have installment. This is our uniform po for caregiving, and we also have hotel and tourism. We have engineering, we have logistics. Maraming pong kurso po. So sana po, kung gusto niyo po i-enhance further ang skills nyo, please join Edisphere College. And for short-term courses, we just opened our new company called Lumax Academy po. So we're located in the plaza. Okay, so you can visit edisphere.edu.sg. Si Dej, maraming salamat po for coming to Fiesta. Kami po ay part ng registration committee. Kung kami kayo man po kanina ay hindi masaya sa registration, we tried our best and we're proud to say, mga estudyante po namin ito. Sila po ang gumawa nito at tumulong po rito. Kaya maraming salamat